Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's another sunny day. How was your weekend? I am Alice. This is my YouTube channel. So you can see this is my sketchbook and I have some pages I want to show you guys. Today we are going to make this lovely heart into the Procreate. Okay, let's go. First, I choose a color. The color which I choose again is the red one, and to quickly sketch the shape. And then I use this sticker to move it around a little bit to the left hand side and keep going. And now I'm going to draw this very cute cloud under this heart. Yeah, so now it's the turn for the star. Just quickly draw the shape, the star inside of the heart. So this picture actually reminds me that a heart symbolizes love, because love is something everyone needs in this society. We can love others, and we also need others to love us, because humans aren't meant to be isolated. We live in a society, in a community, so it's important for us to receive love. Okay, so now I'm going to do the line drawings again to define the shape. Yeah, and fill the color, and step by step to draw some details. But here, love doesn't just refer to our relationships with other people, it also extends to our connection with nature, the sun, the stars, the moon, and even with animals and things we can't see. So the whole thing is about love. Okay, so now let's continue. Now to draw that inside of the heart there are 3 spots, just the yellow part. So here you can press hard to make it very curved. You see, it's like this. Yeah, okay, then keep going. So here I choose another lemon color, and now add another new layer to draw this cloud. Normally the cloud is like white or a little bit blue, but here I just make it yellow. And it's not just like the cloud itself, but it's also like a basement to cover this heart. Fill in the color again, and now it's the turn for the star. This star reminds me about our dream or our goal that inside of ourselves. So we just keep working or study hard to achieve our goal or our dream. It's always shining in the dark. It's just like our lifetime, no matter what happens, it's never the end of the world. Okay, so now it's the turn for the small star. Just choose another brush and quickly to draw the star. It's turning to December, so we're gonna have the Christmas. Okay, Christmas season, yeah! I think everyone gonna be very busy to do the Christmas shopping and prepare for the Christmas dinner with family or friends. So here I just choose a little bit light color and another brush to have a little bit texture of it. For the layout, we can choose alpha lock so that it's easier for us to fill in the colors and won't be out of the shape. Okay, so for the star, we can have a little bit bright color as well. Okay, let's go back to the topic about Christmas. Have you prepared for the Christmas dinner? So what kind of food are you going to make? And like, what about the gifts? So will you be doing any DIY crafts this year? So maybe it's a good idea to make it ourselves because it's gonna be special. Maybe a little bit small piece of drawing or a handcraft. So it's gonna be very interesting. So this year I probably celebrate with my friends because my family they all live very far from here. But definitely I will organize a Christmas dinner with friends to celebrate together. And also we will do some crafts and prepare the plan for the next year. So here is also a little bit details about the star. Add another brush to have a little bit pattern. Okay, finish. So this is the final outcome. We can see the differences between the hand drawings and digital art. So which one you like? Just let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Again, thanks so much for you guys to support me, and I will see you in the next very episode. Bye.